Welcome to our channel. In this quick setup guide, we'll walk you through the steps to log into your Bluebird by American Express account. Follow these simple instructions to access your account easily and securely. Let's get started. Step 1. Access the Bluebird website or app. Open your web browser or launch the Bluebird app on your mobile device. If you're using a computer, type bluebird.com into the address bar and press enter. If you're using the app, locate the Bluebird icon and tap to open it. Step 2. Locate the login button. On the Bluebird homepage, look for the login button. This is typically found at the top right corner of the website or prominently displayed on the app's main screen. Click or tap on it. Step 3. Enter your credentials. You will be directed to the login screen. Here you need to enter your registered email address and password. Make sure that your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any login errors. Step 4. Use additional security features if prompted. If you have enabled two-factor authentication for your account, you may be required to enter a verification code sent to your registered mobile number or email. Check your phone or email for this code, then enter it in the specified field. Step 5. Click the login button. Once you have entered your email and password, and any additional verification code if applicable, click or tap the login button to access your account. Step 6. Troubleshooting login issues if necessary. If you encounter issues while trying to log in, such as forgetting your password, click the Forgot Password link. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, and instructions for resetting your password will be sent to your inbox. Step 7. Explore your account. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You can manage your funds, check transactions, and access various features offered by Bluebird. Thank you for following our quick setup guide on logging into Bluebird by American Express. For more helpful videos, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates and tips.